This is the Hello World Podcast.
So number 3, V, is vulnerability. Meaning, be authentic. People on LinkedIn would go there and think that, oh, I'll tell them these are my awards, these are my, alam mo yun, lahat ng accolades and then everything. They talk about themselves. People will feel like, what is he talking about all this time? He's talking about himself. They can like you once, twice, 3 times, but after that, they're done with you because they're not getting anything. So, yun, what you can do there, instead of talking about the technical stuff, for example, I also share educational materials. But sometimes people tune out na rin eh. If you give them a lot of tips here, tips there, everybody can give that. I mean, they can do Google search pa nga with that unless super original yung ino-offer mo. But what they cannot do Google search on is your story. Be vulnerable, share your story. There's so much to learn from your story. People think, masyado naman personal, I can't do that. Di naman to Facebook. It doesn't really matter kung Facebook or LinkedIn if the intention is correct. If the intention is, for example, I was telling you right now, di ba, na ang journey ko ngayon is how to be effective as an entrepreneur. How do I build a team? How do I find the right talent? And so on. So because that's my pain point right now, alam mo na. Because you've been there.
Post na ako ng ganyan. Post na ako ng ganyan. How to find the right talent.
Yun. Kasi, di ba yung story mo na yan, dun, mag-ano yun eh, it will inspire me. And number 2, it will put me in the right mindset. And it will give me another perspective na hindi ko pa nakita. And I know this is not based on books. This is based on your experience. Correct. So, marirealize ko, pinagdaanan mo na rin pala yung pinagdadaanan ko. That's so valuable. I can't do Google search on that. And then I can approach you. Message it. Louis, I saw your post and it really resonates with me. And then it starts a conversation. And now you find yourself in another world. Someone is mentoring you. And that is so powerful. Wow. That is what I mean by vulnerability. Be you. Show up as you. Don't show up as someone that you want to be put in the pedestal. No. Show up as someone who is relatable. Lumebel ka dun sa audience mo.
And parang hindi ito Instagram. This is not Instagram where you just post, right? The beautiful side of you where the models are. And yes, right. It's authenticity.
Right. And I also noticed that, Louie, na halimbawa, ang post mo puro branded, no? Okay lang naman to do branded things kasi it helps in recall. Pero may mga natural photos rin that work so well. Yung alam mo, on the spotlight, nagpicture ka lang, tapos may maganda kang thoughts on that na very helpful, it resonates sa audience mo. That is very powerful. Compared with yung nakapost ka talaga, tapos may brand pa and so on. Yes, the more authentic you appear, the more relatable you are, the more that you will break that barrier between you and your audience. And suddenly you will find them approaching you. That's the way for people to like you. And that is so powerful and underestimated ng tao eh. They think, ang corny naman. But there's a way to do that kasi there are people who would tell stories at the end of the day. It dilutes their brand. Yung story nila walang kinalaman sa ginagawa nila.
Okay.
May ganun eh. Story ka ng story, pas at the end of the day, anong ginagawa ni Louie? Kasi ang dami yung kwento, ano ba ginagawa niya? Hindi naman yun helpful sa'yo sa business mo. So what I do actually, yung vulnerability na yun, i-mix mo your story, i-mix mo sa brand narratives mo.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.